Here's a story. In China, there is a saying which has 16 Chinese characters. If you don't know how to stand, don't even fight. Don't if you should know how to stand. Okay, they are talking about kiba stance. If you don't know how to stand, don't even think about fighting. And then next line is, if you don't know how to fix your students' bones, don't even start a school. That's a famous Chinese saying. So basically, we are talking about injury healing, bone rebuilding, and bone strengthening, which includes muscle building. So basically, in ancient Chinese martial art thinking, we are not talking about the bulking up the muscles. So what they are looking for is the strong bone, and then really lean muscles attached to the bone so tightly, then it just creates speed and strength, not bulging. So, martial art teachers are supposed to know all those things. Therefore, all those famous Chinese or Japanese martial art schools are actually an annexed facility for a famous pharmacy, famous drugstore. And then usually drugstores are opened by martial art teachers. So, so basically, what I'm saying is that the martial art teachers usually provide two two sets, a set of composed of two sessions of treatment or drugs or a supplement. One first before training. Okay, before you start training, uh, they serve you teas, they serve you something
So
that
that was a stamina product, Dr. Kim?
that heightens your alertness, that wakes up your stamina. So if you're alert, you can avoid a lot of injuries, right? And by enhancing the alertness of your students, you can teach the next level of techniques. So basically, they serve nice teas, which is composed of really nice, healthy, natural caffeine and really nice natural sugar and really nice natural vitamin C. That's the drink they have before training. But
Okay.
these days we know that there are many sports drinks like Red Bull, something like that, right?
Yeah, Red Bull.
That's a very, very dangerous thing, though. You must have heard so many horror stories about Red Bull,
Yes.
and then
Yes, absolutely.
it just basically, it just basically explodes the kidney. And another problem, just purely from a martial art training viewpoint, it it enhances your alertness too much, and it leads your brain to miscalculate. So it just kind of makes you overestimate your own ability. So it promotes you to take the risk you should not have taken.
Yeah. Yeah. You feel invincible with it.
Yeah. So that's not good. That's not the ideal uh pre-training drinks. But people usually take it as a pre-training drink. But
Yeah.
so what uh, I have been researching this thing for a long time, and then what we are providing is all natural, highly high quality. We got approvals for this product. We create natural combination, perfect combination of really high quality natural caffeine, high quality natural sugar, high quality natural vitamin C as a pre-training formula. Okay. And what's next is after training. So in ancient martial art tradition, before training, after training, you have to drink the teas and formulas the teacher provides you. So the after training is basically, as I told you, injury healing and bone rebuilding, muscle rebuilding, because you do a very intensive training, you lose muscle. You know that, right?
Yeah, yeah. And now the initial product,
Yeah,
the product that you use for stamina,
yeah.
is that a drink that you mix? It's a tea drink that you
So
mix?
the capsule,
It's a capsule.
yeah.
How long should you take it prior to working out? What would you advise?
Like 30 minutes.
About 30 minutes before
Yeah.
you work
Or,
out.
if you're about to train in the evening, you may take it after dinner.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah. It's even though it is in capsule form, it is absorbed very quickly. Yeah. And then about the second product, which is basically you know the what do you say in English, this kekihati, you have to practice the your fist, you have to practice your shoto, so that you can break bricks
Yeah.
or
Yeah. Body conditioning.
body conditioning, right? You know how much of body conditioning you should do to claim any knowledge of martial art. Unless you break something, you're not really a fighter. So you're a
Yeah.
dancer, right? So huge amount of collagen, collagen, and then really good quality of natural vitamin D, which you know very much.
Yes.
So
Yes.
collagen, collagen, vitamin D, and high quality calcium, which you know very well. And then without vitamin C, really good vitamin C, the collagen, vitamin D, and calcium does not get glued to your body. So high quality vitamin C is a glue that puts collagen, vitamin D, calcium, and then to make the bone, to make the harder part of muscle, and to make you heal the injuries. I told you I will just I'll show you the short video. I got huge injury here. It just shattered my whole elbow in so many
Yep.
pieces, and I'm 66, and doctors told me that there's only so much healing of that shattered bone at my age. I took this product for 2 months, and I went to see the doctors. They said that this is impossible. I will show you the proof. The so many shattered bones, and the next X-ray completely healed.
Did you have pins? Did you have pins inside? You had
I still have
pins
it.
in your
I still
elbow.
have it. So
Yeah.
whenever I go through the airport, it just sets off the alarm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. It's so I expected some high tech, nice looking. It's just usual, ordinary door hinge. So foolishly. I will show it.
And they're probably expensive because they're titanium.
Yeah, no. To tell you a joke, after the surgery, I saw one of the surgery room doors is wiggling because they got the hinge there and they put it here. And I will show the that two comparisons. People say this is impossible, and we did a clinical study. We did a clinical study for all the osteoporosis elderly people. We
So
did,
people that have
yeah,
osteoporosis.
process, yeah. The within 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, their bone density improved at least by 10%, which is impossible. The reason why we have such a good result is our collagen is really expensive ones.
Yeah. Was that taken with seniors? They were all seniors that study was conducted with, Dr. Kim,
Yeah.
that had
Yeah,
injuries?
seniors, and then some 60-year-old ladies who are suffering. I'm going to translate this clinical study into English and then put it in our website. So basically,
Good.
Carl, all these things, all these clinical studies, how this thing works are, 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 are highly scientifically proven, and they were very well explained. So, but I don't think we really need the entire English speaking people with all these theories. But basically what this is this: if you just put a lot of calcium, it doesn't go to your bone. It washes out. So you need vitamin D to catch calcium, right? And
Yeah.
then vitamin D and calcium is like a sand and rebel. It, you need cement. You need the cement to
Yeah.
put in the
Yeah.
concoction, right? That cement is like a collagen. Collagen works like a cement to make the bone. And the vitamin C is there are many kinds of cement, right? One is a regular cement, one is a high strength cement.
Yeah.
Vitamin C holds these components of cements really strongly. That's how truly good vitamin C works.
So the vitamin C actually acts as the glue to hold
Yeah, yeah,
everything
yeah.
together. Collagen, the vitamin D, and the vitamin C.
Another beautiful aspect of what I talked about is this mass, this bone health, or uh this collagen works greatly for cancer patients. How? It wraps the cancer. It wraps the cancer. So for those people who are doing chemotherapy, right? And for those people who are suffering those tumors, or those we call it solid tumor type of cancer, this thing is really helpful. We
What
we
does
are
it do?
selling, yeah, we are selling
Does
this
it
thing
shut the
very
cell
well.
down?
Say it
Does
again.
it shut the cell? Does it shut the cell down, Dr. Kim?
No, no, no,
The
no.
product?
No, this thing, cancer, we usually have a lot of misunderstanding about cancer. Cancer, when a person dies of natural cause, if you do autopsy, many people have cancer. Not all cancers kill. Not all
Yeah.
cancers kill. So how did they all survive all those cancers? Because our body just sometimes it reduces the cancer through immune responses, but also uh, they do by covering it and wrap it so that it doesn't spread.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's how collagen works. This is all scientifically proven theories. Anyhow, let's start. Uh, I will just turn this information into English
Yeah.
and
That'd be
then
good.
make
I
it.
think that'll make a world of difference.
Yeah. And then let's make it available to our martial art colleagues.
Yeah. Well, what I'd like to do is I want to get a lot of the dojos,
Yeah,
and I want to turn this into an income opportunity.
yeah.
Yeah.
Another thing which I'd like to mention is we have sportsman's package, which is for like marathon runner, long distance runners, because they are exposed to uh, a lot of oxidation. So they need a special antioxidant to protect themselves from getting old. All the marathoners getting old very quickly, right? Because they are exposed to oxidation very much. So we
Oh, I
have,
didn't realize. I didn't realize oxidation.
yeah, yeah.
Body oxidizes. I
Oh yeah,
never
yeah. That's
never thought of that as a concept of
that's that's
happening to
that's
people.
what free radicals does. Free radicals do. So you need antioxidant. So we have another sportsman's package, but that's mostly for long distance runners. But
Okay.
for martial art friends, we have these packages.
What do you call the product, Dr. Kim? What's the
Right,
name of the product?
right now, I'm not really imaginative person. I say martial art package.
Okay. All right. So what you're telling me is we haven't named the product yet.
You just name it. Sensei Cars product. You name it.
Okay. I will come up with a good name. I will
Please
come up with a
do.
very good name.
Please do. Frankly, Carl, I really believe that if you had taken this a lot earlier, I believe you didn't have to suffer all those injuries you had to.
Yeah.
I really
No,
believe so.
I'm still suffering because my right knee is they want to operate on the right knee and I don't want
No,
them to.
this one. No, before you make any big decision on what to do with your knees, please take this thing and then see what happens.
Yeah.
Many people cancel surgery, or many people cancel their hip replacement surgery. So
I would have loved to.
yeah, so basically, uh, uh, intuitively speaking, or figuratively speaking, it our bone used to be when you were young used to be real moisturized with nice oils, but when you're getting older it becomes dry like a chalk-like thing, right? So but we put nice glue strengthener and then nice ingredients for the bone. Of course we have a strong bone and
Yeah.
strong joint too.
Yeah.
Joint joint health is the key of martial art training. Joint health.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, that's where the arthritis comes in.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
Oh, you know, people start getting arthritis. I can feel it. I can feel it
yeah, yeah,
in the thumb that I had ripped off when I was in my motorcycle accident.
yeah. Anyhow, the let's try to help all these senseis and their students with this product about which you are going to come up with a nice name.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, my thoughts on
Yeah,
that, Dr. Kim,
yeah,
is
yeah,
that you know we get them sample products.
yeah,
We have them. They're like a sample pack that they can
yeah,
purchase, you know, and give it out to their students.
yeah.
And you know, once the students, if the students come back and the
Yeah.
students have a positive effect with it,
Uh, that
it'll,
part,
two
that
things will
part
happen.
I'll be responsible. The good results is my territory.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Okay.
saying. I should say when they have the great results. You know, better phraseology. You know, because
Very
it's
quickly.
something that's very much
Very
needed.
quickly. You'll be surprised by the speed of this effect. Don't worry
Yeah.
about it.